If you're looking for a sofa bed in 2026, versatility is everything. Whether you need a space-saving solution for a small apartment, a guest-ready sleeper, or a modular sectional with storage, this list covers the top 5 best sofa beds on Amazon based on comfort, durability, design, and functionality. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. LINSY Home Sleeper Sofa Bed with Pull-Out Couch. The LINSY Home Sleeper Sofa Bed is a modular sectional with a pull-out bed design. It features built-in USB charging ports, cup holders, plush corduroy upholstery, and hidden storage compartments. This model is built for convenience. The pull-out mechanism converts smoothly into a full sleeper, making it ideal for overnight guests. The modular design allows flexible layout adjustments, while the storage compartments help reduce clutter. The corduroy fabric gives it a cozy, modern look. Pros: pull-out sleeper functionality, built-in USB charging, hidden storage space, modular sectional design. This is the best option for families or homeowners who want a multifunctional sectional with storage and tech-friendly features. Number 2. 78.8-inch Convertible Corduroy Futon Sofa Bed. This 78.8-inch convertible futon sofa features corduroy upholstery, a folding pull-out design, storage pockets, and a no-assembly structure. This sofa bed is perfect for smaller apartments or studio spaces. It easily folds down into a sleeping surface and doesn't require complicated setup. The storage pockets are useful for keeping remotes or small items nearby. Pros: no assembly required. Compact and space-saving. Storage pockets included. Soft corduroy fabric. A great choice for small spaces or occasional guests who need a simple, affordable sofa bed. Number 3. 106.7 Modular Sectional Cloud Sofa with Movable Ottomans. This oversized modular sectional features deep seating, movable ottomans, removable covers, and a no-assembly design. It has a soft cloud couch feel and flexible layout options. While not a traditional pull-out sleeper, this modular sofa can function as a spacious lounging and sleeping surface when arranged properly. The deep seats provide comfort, and the removable covers make cleaning easier. Pros: large, deep seat design, flexible modular layout, removable washable covers, no assembly required. Ideal for larger living rooms where comfort and flexible seating are more important than compact sleeping mechanisms. Number 4. DOPEDIO Modern Loveseat Sofa. The DOPEDIO Modern Loveseat Sofa features chenille fabric, removable covers, spring cushions, a solid wood frame, and compact dimensions designed for small spaces. This loveseat is not a full sleeper, but it works well in tight areas and can accommodate light lounging or occasional overnight use. The solid wood frame adds durability, and the spring cushions provide structured comfort. Pros: solid wood frame, compact for small rooms, removable covers, easy assembly. Best for small apartments or offices where space-saving seating is the priority. Number 5. 79-inch Convertible Sleeper Sofa Bed with Folding Mattress. This 79-inch convertible sleeper sofa bed features a folding mattress design, cylindrical pillow support, corduroy upholstery, and fixed-shape frame for stability. This model transitions easily between sofa and bed positions. The fixed-shape frame helps maintain structure over time, and the included cylindrical pillows improve comfort. It's suitable for bedrooms, studios, or multi-purpose rooms. Pros: easy fold-out sleeping design, stable fixed-shape frame, soft corduroy fabric, compact and versatile. A strong mid-range option for people who want a simple and stylish convertible sofa bed. Here's how they compare. Best overall modular sleeper, LINSY Home. Best for small spaces, 78.8-inch futon. Best oversized comfort option, 106.7 modular sectional. Best compact loveseat, DOPEDIO. Best traditional fold-out sleeper, 79-inch convertible sofa. When choosing a sofa bed, consider room size, frequency of use, and whether you need storage or tech features like USB charging.